sipping on a lemonade. But then I got to 6th grade to be home free. Thought I'd drive here at Liberty. Cocktail cuts, referrals, say what? Don't be tardy. Hey man, this place ain't no party. Things were going way too fast. And the rain rail, gotta go to class. First is Miss P science class. Dissect a frog or you will never pass. Don't eat the parts or they will give you gas. Clean up your area after each task. Then what she said gave me deep sorrow. Your science fair project is due tomorrow.
Then on to reading with Mrs. Snudge. Yo, 6 text clues, character analysis. Cottage. I thought I'd go into paralysis. The list was long each week with vocabulary, so every night I slept with my dictionary. Next is Ms. Bonner in geography. You gotta know the lands and oceans A to Z. And get down with topography. Know every country and every capital. Put it all together, make a foldable. Time to grade papers, what's the Bonner box? Do your best, what you get is what you got. Time for math class with Miss Cressley. Pop for the top and don't make it messy. Looking everywhere for smiley faces. You know she puts them in the craziest places. Do your best to solve the equation. Show your work on every occasion. It was worth it and now you know why. 3.1415 is my favorite kind of pie.
Yeah, Miss Cassie. We write lots of essays, they got lots of parts. Adjectives, nouns, and verbs for conjugate and give my sentences more elaboration. Got it together and to my surprise, now I write essays using hamburgers and fries. Oh yeah.